Today I will review the book The Secret of Self by Muhammad Iqbal. In Persian, it is called Asrar-e-Khudi. Asrar-e-Khudi was originally published in 1915. The poem speaks of the self in relation to the universe, how it is the inner power and soul of each individual human. It instructs on how to improve the self through love and willpower, which can help one control the forces within the universe. Iqbal comes forward as an apostle, if not to his own age. He wrote, "I have no need of the air of today. I am the voice of the poet of tomorrow." Iqbal has drunk deep of European literature. His philosophy owes much to Nietzsche and Bergson, and his poetry often reminds us of Shelley. Yet he thinks and feels as a Muslim, and just for the reason his influence may be great. Iqbal dreamed of a world ruled by religion, not by politics, and condemns Machiavelli, that worship of false god, who has blinded so many. In his opinion of the decay prevailing in Islam, and argues that only by self-affirmation, self-expression and self-development can the Muslim once more become strong and free. Allama Iqbal dislikes the type of Sufism exhibited by Hafiz Shirazi, but he pays homage to the pure and profound genius of Jalaluddin Rumi, though he rejects the doctrine of self-abandonment taught by the great Persian poet. On its first appearance, the Asrar-e-Khudi took by storm the young generation of Indian Muslims. Iqbal wrote one of them, "Has come among us as a Masiha and has stirred the dead with life." Here are some of the verses of Asrar-e-Khudi which was translated in English. "And the development of its unknown possibilities. Its nature gathers fires from love. Love instructs it to illuminate the world." Regarding begging, Iqbal wrote, "By begging, the beggar is made poorer. Asking disintegrates the self." Here in another place, Iqbal wrote about the sheep and the tiger, and he compared it like this: "To create a sheep, the disposition of a wolf, but to make the furious tiger a sheep, that is possible. To make him unmindful of his nature, that is possible." Iqbal wrote regarding courage, "Lack of courage produced 100 diseases: poverty, pusillanimity, low-mindedness." Iqbal, in one of the stanzas, praised the camel. "Patience and perseverance are ways of the camel. Noiselessly he steps along the sandy track. He is the ship of those who voyage in the desert.